So it is a beautiful day in central Connecticut, and today we're just cutting firewood. I got all these pulled up the other past 2 weeks with the backhoe, but today we're going to be using my marking tool, which I made out of just some scraps I found. A piece of PVC, a piece of all thread, heavy duty magnet. I put it to the end of the bar, and this is how I mark my logs. I sell my firewood at 16 inches, so that's what people are gonna get, this length. So let's show you how I do it, and let's get to it. Friendly visitor at Aaron's yard. Just strolling, looking for some munchies. So hey everyone, Aaron here again. We're gonna do some splitting today. We bucked up all these logs, which I just showed you in the previous little video footage. I got the 27-ton Troy built. Let's see if it'll do the job for me today. We got it vertical so we can split the bigger rounds up smaller so we can handle them, because I don't have a log lift on my splitter, obviously, because it's a smaller unit. Maybe one day I'll get one of those big Easton Maids, or a rugged with a bigger ram, but this one's a 27-ton. It does the job. Let's get to it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like this stuff, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell so when I put another video, you'll know. And I'll tell you what, I'll split you later.